How to politely say no in English. No thank you. No thanks. Thanks for the offer, but I can't. Thanks, but no thanks. That's very kind of you, but I don't think so. I have to say no, but thanks anyway. I'm not interested. Thanks. Thanks, maybe next time. I wish I could, but I can't right now. I'm afraid I can't. I appreciate the offer, but I can't at this time. I'm honored, but I can't. I'd love to, but it's not possible right now. I appreciate the invitation, but I'm completely booked. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. Regrettably, I'm not able to do it right now. Thanks. You're so kind to think of me, but I can't. No thank you, but it sounds lovely. Thanks for the offer, but I can't. Thanks, maybe another time. I'd rather not. I'm afraid I can't. If only I could. Sounds great, but I can't commit right now. No thank you, but it sounds great. Maybe another time. Why don't you check back with me later? I'm just swamped right now. I really can't take on anything else. Thanks. I'm not able to make it right now, but ask me again in a month. Perhaps a little later would be better. Call me back. Thanks. Circle back to me in a few weeks. I have a few things I need to take care of first. Can I let you know later? I'm really maxed out. Thanks. It's not feasible for me right now, but I appreciate the offer. Let me think about this and I'll get back to you. I'm really spread thin these days. I just can't take on anything right now. I'm slammed, but thanks anyway. I wish I could make it work, but I can't right now. Sorry.